These are unprecedented times, certainly. We have been through and done a lot of work in the past on natural disasters, very active in the Joplin tornado and South Central Missouri flooding. But this is a unique challenge, certainly, with all of those things that they've had, plus the sheltering and staying in place. So we felt like we needed to respond accordingly and have made a $1 million commitment to the immediate needs of the COVID-19 emergency. And we've done that with repurposing some of our own grant money, as well as working with two great partners we've had in past years, the Missouri Foundation for Health and the Lewis and Dorothy Coover Trust, managed by Commerce Trust. We are opened that up this past Wednesday. I think last count in 2 days, we've had over 40 applications, which is, again, I think, confirming that the need that our nonprofit community has to respond to this in many, many ways. This grant is really focusing on vulnerable human populations impacted by that. So specifically, we are looking at seniors and with 40 senior centers closing because of the social distancing and again, staying in place, child care for healthcare workers as they are working, 7 days a week to care for those impacted by COVID-19 and need child care with the schools closed. Certainly, the homeless population is a very vulnerable population due to their lack of access to hygiene, et cetera, and their aggregating together and inability for social isolation, and then mental and behavioral health issues as well, and food insecurity. So those are the major things we're seeing right now, and having a lot of nonprofits reach out on those issues initially. We have a maximum of $25,000 per agency on the initial grant, and there's not a prohibition that you could come back later and apply again, because we know there are needs now and there are going to be needs 90 days from now and there are going to be needs 6 months from now. If multiple agencies want to come together and work together, and we're encouraging that, they can apply as a consortium up to $40,000 as well.